Hello, everybody, and welcome back to our channel. If you're unable to send or receive messages on your smartphone, in today's video, we are providing you with a guide to fix that issue. So let's get started. So the basic checks are you can start by checking out your signal. So you can look out for a good cellular signal or Wi-Fi network because that requires texting requires network connection, usually for online. So you can check it out. And within your quick settings panel, also look out for your flight mode and ensure this is turned off. You can just go over and check it out. And you can restart your phone. So for that, you can hold your power button and look out for the restart option. Tap on restart. A simple reboot should often fix the temporary glitches. And make sure your main messaging application is set as default. So for that, what you need to do is basically go to your settings, and within your settings of your device, you may scroll down, find the option for apps, and tap on default application from here. Now, once you are here in default application, find for SMS apps and ensure the default messaging application is checked. You can just go over and check it out, or you can even change it with anything else. And also clear the cache. So, for example, if you're using messages, you can hold it up and go to their info. And within their info, you can just go over, scroll down, find storage, tap on it, and look out for clear cache and clear out the cache for that following application messages, and that should do it. Also, update your software. Go to settings, and within your settings, scroll down, find the option for software update, and tap on software, download and install, and do it. And sometimes it may be network outages or account issues. You can call your contact carrier to check for that and fix that issue. And at last but not least, you can go to your settings, scroll down, find the option for general management, and within there, tap on reset. From there, you can tap on this option called reset network settings and confirm that's up right here. That should reset your Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular settings, making it possible to send or receive the messages on smartphone. And that's it. So that is it, everybody. Those are probably the solutions you can follow up. So we hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.